What's going on, guys? We're back here with yet another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be introducing a new vehicle to the channel. I mean, it's new to the channel, but it's not new to Jake. Jake has had it for over a month now. We just have not had time to do anything with it or introduce it to the channel, really. You might have seen it if you follow our Instagram, but he's on his way over here right now. He's going to be pulling into the driveway shortly. He's coming from work, but we're going to be doing a deep clean on his car here. We got a bunch of crap to do here. We got some interior cleaner, wipes, that's for the door hinges. We'll wipe down with a little mixture of soap and water, towels, microfibers, Q-tips, toothpicks, and a nice shop vac. So, yeah, I mean, I will fill you in more once he gets here, and then we will introduce the car and show you all of its glory, or if that's what you want to call it. But yeah, we'll check back in once he gets here. Here I'm coming. Look who it is. The big man pulling up. This would be Jake's new project vehicle. Jake's gonna give us the rundown on this vehicle and what he plans to do to it. So,
guys, so it's a 94 Mustang. It's a V6, so base model, crank windows, which really suck, especially when it's raining. I plan to put new tires and rims on, just give it a little more stance so I don't have like those steel rims.
Throw a picture of what it looked like before this right here, so yeah.
And I plan to replace the trunk because it had a big wing on it, but now,
which you'll also see in the picture right here.
Yeah. And so I just put bolts in there for the time being. I plan to replace it with a carbon trunk, take these off, repaint it, might wrap the whole car, do window tint, and then a couple engine modifications like a new a spacer for my filters, and then new headlights, and I will change the 410 gear ratio in here to 3.7 so it could get a little more kick off the line while putting a limited slip in here, because as of right now this is a one-wheel Peely.
And it is a manual car.
It's a 5-speed. Transmission was just rebuilt.
Jake's joining the big boy club, driving a manual now.
Just got my sub hooked up.
Yeah, the subs are in the trunk. You've moved them over from the old car. But yeah, it's pretty clean on the interior. As you guys see, we're about to clean it up a little bit and give it a nice little wash down. So yeah, we'll be back with some of that. I just got this side cleaned out. It looks pretty gross down here.
Here, look at the center console by the shifter.
Oh, great.
Look at those two pilot holes right there, right?
Let's pull this back.
Look at those two pilot holes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I needed those Q-tips.
That's nice. But yeah, the floor's clean down here without all the stains. But yeah.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get
this wiped down. Checking back in. Jake's over here trying to get gunk out. Because that's, yeah. Here's his sub setup. This is from the Hyundai. So he's got his, this is a 12, right?
It's a single 10.
A single 10, okay. And
but
then
it's a constant 600 watt power.
Alpine, it's got some coolant. Those are the speakers from the Hyundai. His old stereo and whatever else was in there, a bunch of wires. We'll come over here. We cleaned up the windows. Cleaned up the floors. Oh, your Febreze thing's down here, buddy. Stick that up there. Dashboard is black, actually. Everything looks nice. These are finally somewhat cleaned out. Get some shit in his e-brake. That looks delicious. But, yeah, it's all pretty clean in here. We'll hop out and go check out the engine bay, because that's where he's going now. And this is what we're working with here. They could use some cleaning.
Yeah.
A little dirty.
Just replaced the serpentine belt, new fan. This is my battery for my amp. Got new fluids in here.
And it makes all of 142 horsepower.
150 stock. And then with the NOS, the headers, and the cold air intake, I'm guessing maybe at least 180.
So 120. All right, got it. Show you guys what Jake just showed me down here.
right there.
Just look at these bolts right here.
That scares me.
That's a thermostat. So yeah, I don't know how that is gonna even like come off, because just look at that. That is just good luck to you. That's all I gotta say, because I mean, yeah, that's gonna be a rough one. Wheel gap for days.
What are you talking about, bro? Aerodynamics.
Look at that fitment. Yeah, just take a nice glance at that. Ooh, nice little gap in these sweet rims, man. My God, where'd you pick these bitches up at?
The junkyard.
Looks like it. Don't worry, the muffler and the cat will be falling off pretty soon. He's taking it to the shop sometime next week, I think. So it'll get a little louder. Bye, Jacob.
Bye-bye.
And he rolls out. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. That is the new project vehicle that you will see a lot of on this channel, because it needs a fucking lot of work. That's pretty obvious, and it's a piece of shit. So yeah, aka the name, the shit Stang, which is what it'll be called from now on. So yeah, make sure you drop a like on this video, comment anything you want to know or any questions you got, and yeah, we'll be back with another video very shortly about getting my truck back, hopefully. So see you in the next one.